Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Triple E Sports TV Reaction Video. For today's reaction video, ito pag-usapan natin itong napakatinding laban, no? Nitong si Efren Bata Reyes versus dito sa Chinese na female na Queen of 9 Ball. Walang iba kundi si Pan Xiaoting. Tinry ni Pan Xiaoting na ilure si Reyes ng 2 beses dito at tinansya niya kung gaano kagaling itong si The Magician. Pero ano nga ba ang nangyari at ano ang ginawa ni Efren Bata Reyes? Pag-usapan natin mga kabilyard. Sa rack number 1, nag-break si Reyes. Unfortunately, walang pumasok. A very dry break yan, kaya back to table kaagad itong the Queen of 9 Ball na si Pan Xiaoting. At dito mapapansin natin sa unang tirada pa lang ni Pan Xiaoting, talagang ine-estima niya ng mabuti itong the King of 9 Ball na si Efren Bata Reyes, no? At tinitingnan niya talaga yung galing at husay nitong si Efren Bata Reyes. Dito mapapansin natin mukhang mayroong pinaplano si Pan Xiaoting at gusto niyang mag-play safe, no, at mag-push. Dito nga natin makikita kung gaano ginawa ni Reyes yung tinatawag na Karom shot. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
2002, way back then, the Osaka Open champion. All this at the tender age of
Here I come.
A lot to be proud of, and relatively young in her career. She goes for the push. Push out is an option given to the player who.
That's the best you can do.
They elect to go for a ball, and she gives the ball right back to Efren.
Damn!
4-2.
At dito nga another break ni Efren Reyes. Mapapansin natin dito na walang pumasok, no, at nakatago itong uno. Back to table naman itong si Pan Xiaoting para sa isang malupit na play safe. Pero challenge ulit ni Pan Xiaoting itong si Reyes kung gaano kagaling sa mga karumbola. So tingnan natin kung paano naman gawa ng paraan ni Reyes ito. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
He can shoot no more, so what are we gonna do?
Well, there's no direct shot at the one. That's gonna pose some problems here for Pan.
Right now, in fact, it is 3-3. With the advantage of the table at her disposal at the moment. So see what she does with it. Deliberating a lot. She will traverse the table back and forth.
Here I come.
I was actually wondering why she was trying to line up that spot.
That's the best you can do.
Excuse me, it's given to the player who is on the table. No shot was dropped. And look at this effort.
At dito nga pinakita ni Reyes, no, yung kanyang husay at galing sa mga karom shot at mga English shot. Makikita niyo dito talagang pinatakbo ni Reyes paabante yung cue ball, no, at pumasok nga yung 9 na yan. So dito makikita natin talaga na hindi uubra yung mga testing nitong si Pan Xiaoting at dito mukhang talagang nagbago na ng strategy si Pan Xiaoting, no. At dito mapapansin natin last rack na ito mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard, at mukhang nag-break dito si Pan Xiaoting, walang pumasok dyan. Back to table si Efren Reyes. At dito nga makikita natin yung pinaka full force ni Efren Reyes sa kanyang pagbibilyard. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
There it is. Oh, slimmest of margins. So Efren will get a nice look at the table.
At dito nga makikita natin na sa top of the hill na si Reyes, no, 6-5 ang score dyan, humahabol si Pan Xiaoting. Pero mapapansin ninyo talagang nasa table si Reyes at napakaganda ng layout ng table na yan. At mukhang hindi na talaga pagbibigyan ni Reyes, no, para makaabante na siya sa semifinal match dito sa laban nila. Mapapansin din natin dito na si Pan Xiaoting mukhang wala na rin siyang ganang lumaban dahil nga sa pinapakitang husay nitong si Efren Bata Reyes.
This is definitely not a difficult layout, especially for someone of the caliber of Efren. A lot of the balls right there at the mouth of the pocket. This is going to be elementary stuff here for the Magician. But make no mistake about it, Chuck. He went through a lot just to get through this win.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, 7-5, nothing for Pong to be ashamed of.
Dito nga, aiming si Reyes sa last 3 balls niya, aiming sa 7 doon sa corner pocket. Mukha talagang hindi na pagbibigyan ni Reyes itong the queen not 9 ball na si Pan Shouting. Pinakita niya dito kung sino talaga ang boss sa larangan ng 9 ball. At dito nga pinakita na ni Reyes yung kanyang pinakatatagong alas na napakatindi sa mga cue ball and pocketing skills niya. Ito, last ball siya dyan. Panalo si Efren Reyes. The king of 9 ball pa rin ang nagwagi. Congratulations. See you on my next video.
So Reyes victorious, and he will move on. We'll be right back.